You've moved into a new space and you're ready to start decorating, right? Hold it! Don't do anything with that decor just yet. There are a few steps you'll need to take before you hammer one nail into the wall or place one book on the bookshelf, and we've got them for you in this video. Hi, I'm Mackenzie Scott, Certified Professional Organizer and Lead Organizer at M2O Organize. I don't know about you, but when I move into a new space, I can't wait to make it feel like home by decorating, even if I have boxes left to unpack. But I've learned to resist the urge and make decorating the last thing I do. With our simple step-by-step process, you can too. The first step actually starts before you move. Pack all of your decor separately from your other household items. Secondarily, you may want to consider keeping your decorations organized by room if you know those particular pieces will definitely go back into those rooms. For example, if you have a piece of artwork that has fruit or wine that you know you want to go into the kitchen, you can pack it with the kitchen stuff. Make sure you label the boxes clearly so you know what is inside each box. Try labels like frames, figurines, vases, and don't forget to designate the box as fragile. After you move in, select one room in your new home to place all of the decor boxes so you aren't tempted to unpack them until you finish unloading everything else. We usually designate the living room or dining room as the central hub for decor boxes. You'll also want to set aside large decor items like lamps, artwork, or vases so that they are in a protected location together. That way, we can easily unpack important areas like bedrooms, kitchens, and offices first, so nothing gets damaged in the meantime. Now that the boxes are all in, there are certain tasks you'll want to complete before making your home beautiful with decor. 1. Complete any painting or wallpapering projects so no drips splatter onto your collections and you don't have to move items later to get to the walls. 2. Make sure the main areas of your home are completely unpacked and functional. 3. Ensure you have finalized the location of all of your furniture pieces. Now that your moving boxes are in the recycling bin, it's time to start placing your decor. Unpack and lay everything out. Place picture frames on paper against the wall so that you can determine the best layout. Start by hanging the largest pieces first. And it's wise to recruit someone to help you hang things. Extra eyes are always helpful. Plus, you'll need someone to hold the ladder for you. With your walls covered with artwork, now it's time to find homes for your smaller decorations. Using a large flat surface, unpack your accent pieces so everything is visible and you can consider where certain pieces fit best in your new space. It may take a while to find the perfect spot for all of your decor, but since all of the unpacking is done, you can have fun and take your time so that your house feels like home. A new home can be beautifully decorated when the time is right. If you can wait, you can focus your time and attention to the details of decorating simply and smoothly. When you're looking for more advice on unpacking and organizing, turn to our blog to discover the essential tools you'll need to get the job done. We also share plenty of insights on our YouTube channel, M2O TV, on our various social media platforms, and in our monthly newsletter, the M2O Buzz. With all of those resources available, we're certain you'll be able to make your move organized and your new home Pinterest worthy. Until next time, bye! It may take a while to find the perfect spot for all of your decor, but since all there's gonna be plenty of B-roll of this.